Hello guys! Today I'm just doing simple gel make. I've been doing this kind a lot lately. It's just very easy to do, so I've been doing it a lot. I hope that you enjoy, and let's just get straight into it. As per usual, I will start out with my primer. Once you have that on, you can go ahead and start on with your foundation. Recently I've been applying it directly onto my brush and then just, brushing it on. I found that it's pretty simple to do it like that, so yeah. Now I'm going to go ahead and start on my eyeliner. What I'm going to be doing is put it about like that and straight on like that. So it kind of comes into a kind of whoop. Next, I'm going to go in with lashes. Recently I have been using these and these. So these at the bottom, they, like this one would be here because the longer part, is right here, and then the shorter part's there. So you want the longer here and the shorter there. And the top ones, it doesn't really matter how you put them on. I put them around from there to here instead of all through here because I find that it looks better like that. Once I'm done with my lashes, I'll go in and reapply some eyeliner so it goes out further. Once I'm done with my lashes, I will go in under through here with white, and then also up through here with white. Ignore my lash falling off. Whoops. It usually looks a little weird once I have my white on, so I'll go in with just a normal brush and kind of smooth it in a little. After that, I reapply my eyeliner in my inner corner. Once you've done that, you can go in and add your nose stripe with white concealer once again. Once I have everything but my lips done, which is what I'm at right now, I will go in with a darker color like this to kind of accentuate and shadow everything. You should also go in with a like an eyebrow pencil, although the only one that I have right now is like a darker shade. So I'm going to be using that just to kind of fix my eyebrows, but it is recommended to use a lighter shade. And last but not least, lips. I like to go in with a more whatever color you can describe this as, and then I'll cover it up with some white and then kind of blend it in. Instead of using my white concealer, I like to use my white face paint for this part because I find that it just does better and looks better. And once you have all that done, you are finished with your makeup. Now onto the outfit. Today I'm wearing my demonias I got in the last video. A nice pair of jeans, part of my Miku cosplay, a blue tank top, and a cute bathing suit top underneath. I also just simply styled my hair just by kind of shaking it around a little, and that's basically it. Also peep the new wall decor. I printed those out. It still has some posters. I really love what I did right here though. And that is it. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I'll be posting more videos in the future. I apologize for not posting in a while. I just haven't really had any inspiration. But hope you enjoyed, and that's it. Bye!